Welcome to today's video about the health benefits of using baking soda. What if I told you that one of the most powerful remedies in your home might be sitting right in your kitchen, often overlooked and underestimated? Yes, I'm talking about baking soda. But how much do you really know about this common household item? Beyond its prowess in baking and cleaning, could baking soda be a secret weapon for your health? Today, we're diving deep into the science and stories behind the everyday wonders of baking soda. From soothing your stomach to enhancing your workouts, the benefits might surprise you. But how does it work? Can something so simple really be so effective? And are there risks to using it every day? Stay tuned as we uncover the facts, debunk the myths, and explore how to safely harness the full potential of baking soda. You might end up rethinking its place in your home. Don't go anywhere. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on this fizzing journey into the heart of one of the most versatile powders in your pantry. Stick around for a surprising health hack with baking soda that you definitely won't want to miss. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Let's roll out the list of how baking soda can boost your health. 1. Heartburn relief. When stomach acid causes discomfort by reaching the esophagus, a solution of baking soda in water can neutralize the excess acid and provide immediate relief. This simple remedy works because baking soda is a base with a pH higher than 7, effectively counteracting the stomach's acidity. To use baking soda for heartburn, dissolve about half a teaspoon in a full glass of water. It's crucial to drink the mixture slowly to ensure it neutralizes the acid effectively without causing secondary symptoms such as gas or bloating, which can result from the release of carbon dioxide during the neutralization reaction. While not frequently featured in recent high-impact research, an article in the Journal of Basic and Applied Sciences discusses the efficacy and safety of sodium bicarbonate as an antacid. It reiterates its role in neutralizing stomach acid and touches on its use in managing symptoms like heartburn, especially when used correctly and in moderation. For individuals experiencing occasional heartburn, this home remedy can be particularly beneficial. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider if heartburn is frequent or severe, as this may indicate a more serious underlying condition such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Additionally, relying on any home remedy, including baking soda, without proper medical guidance can lead to complications or mask a more serious health issue. 2. Improves oral health. Baking soda, a common household item, is highly effective in maintaining oral health. It is often found in toothpaste formulations due to its mild abrasive properties, which make it excellent for removing plaque and surface stains from teeth. This results in whiter teeth and improved overall dental hygiene. Studies, such as one published in the International Journal of Dental Hygiene in 2019, have shown that toothpastes containing baking soda remove plaque more effectively than non-baking soda toothpastes, without being harsh on the enamel or gums. The unique chemical properties of sodium bicarbonate allow it to penetrate deeper into the microscopic spaces between teeth than non-baking soda products. Additionally, its alkaline nature helps neutralize the acidic byproducts of bacterial metabolism, reducing the overall acidity in the mouth, which can lead to tooth decay if left unchecked. To harness the benefits of baking soda for oral health, incorporating it into your daily dental care routine is simple. One method is to sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on a wet toothbrush and brush as usual. Alternatively, it can be mixed with water to create a homemade mouth rinse, offering gentle cleansing and relief from minor mouth irritations. This versatile compound not only ensures cleaner teeth but also contributes to a healthier oral environment, making it a valuable addition to dental care practices. Regular use, combined with proper dental hygiene, can significantly enhance oral health, leading to fewer cavities and a brighter smile. 3. Exercise enhancer. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, has been recognized for its potential to enhance athletic performance, particularly in high-intensity sports and activities. It acts as a buffering agent that helps maintain pH levels in the body, combating the acid buildup in muscles during strenuous exercise. When muscles work hard, they produce lactic acid, which can decrease performance and increase fatigue. By buffering this acid, baking soda can delay the onset of muscle fatigue, allowing athletes to sustain higher performance levels for longer periods. The benefits of baking soda for athletes have been supported by various studies, including a 2023 article published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology. This study demonstrated that oral supplementation of sodium bicarbonate can significantly enhance sprint performance over multiple bouts, showcasing its potential to improve short-duration, high-intensity exercise outcomes. For those interested in utilizing baking soda as a performance enhancer, the typical protocol involves consuming a dose of approximately 0.2 to 0.3 grams per kilogram of body weight about 1 to 2 hours before exercise. This can be dissolved in water and consumed gradually to minimize gastrointestinal discomfort, a common side effect. It is important to start with a lower dose to assess tolerance and gradually increase to the optimal dosage. Additionally, due to its sodium content, individuals with hypertension or heart conditions should consult with a healthcare professional before adding baking soda to their regimen. This supplementation strategy is particularly popular among competitive athletes who need to sustain high-intensity efforts across events or training sessions. 4. Improves kidney health. Sodium bicarbonate's role in improving kidney health, particularly for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, is grounded in its ability to help manage the body's pH balance. Patients with CKD often struggle with metabolic acidosis, a condition characterized by an excess of acid in the body due to impaired kidney function. The therapeutic use of sodium bicarbonate can help neutralize this acid, aiding the kidneys in maintaining a healthier pH balance. A study published in Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation in 2023 highlighted the potential benefits of sodium bicarbonate supplementation for CKD patients. The research indicated that patients who took sodium bicarbonate supplements were less likely to experience rapid progression of kidney disease compared to those who did not take the supplement. This benefit is likely due to the reduced strain on the kidneys from having to filter out excess acid, thereby potentially prolonging their functionality. For those considering using sodium bicarbonate for kidney health, it is typically administered orally in tablet form or through a solution of baking soda dissolved in water. The recommended dose often starts at a low level and is adjusted based on individual health needs and under the guidance of a healthcare provider. It is essential for patients, especially those with pre-existing kidney conditions, to consult with their doctor before starting any new treatment to ensure it is safe and appropriate for their specific health circumstances. Regular monitoring by a healthcare professional is crucial to avoid potential complications such as electrolyte imbalances or increased blood pressure. 5. Improves digestive function. One lesser-known but beneficial application of sodium bicarbonate is in improving digestive function, particularly for those suffering from occasional indigestion and upset stomach. When consumed, it acts as an antacid, neutralizing stomach acids and easing discomfort. This reaction provides immediate relief from symptoms like bloating and heartburn and enhances overall digestive efficiency by tempering the acidic environment in the stomach, which can be a barrier to optimal digestion. For practical use, a common method involves dissolving about half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. This solution should be consumed slowly to effectively counteract stomach acidity without causing excessive gas and bloating, as the reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. Supporting its digestive benefits, a 2007 study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine highlighted that sodium bicarbonate could help manage symptoms related to functional dyspepsia, characterized by chronic indigestion with no identifiable cause. This research underscores its role not only in symptom relief but also in potentially improving the quality of life for individuals with chronic digestive complaints. As with any remedy, moderation is key. Overuse of baking soda can lead to an alkaline imbalance and should be avoided, especially in individuals with existing kidney conditions or those on sodium-restricted diets. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment for persistent or severe symptoms. 6. Prevent skin infections. The antimicrobial properties of baking soda make it a valuable tool for preventing skin infections. A study published in Micropathology in 2013 found that dilute solutions of sodium bicarbonate could inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and fungi known to cause skin infections. This is especially relevant for individuals prone to conditions like athlete's foot or folliculitis, where the skin's protective barrier is compromised. To utilize baking soda for skin infection prevention, it can be applied in various forms. A common method is to create a paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. This paste can be applied directly to the affected area, left on for several minutes, and then rinsed off with warm water. This application helps soothe irritated skin and prevents the growth of bacteria and fungi. Alternatively, adding half a cup of baking soda to a bathtub filled with warm water and soaking for 15 to 20 minutes can alleviate symptoms of skin infections and provide a protective barrier against bacteria. It's important to gently pat the skin dry afterward to avoid irritation. While baking soda can be effective for minor skin issues and as a preventive measure, it should not replace professional medical treatment. For severe or persistent skin infections, always consult a healthcare provider if symptoms continue or worsen. 7. Reduces urinary tract infections. Alkalizing the urine by ingesting substances like baking soda may potentially reduce the frequency and severity of urinary tract infections, UTIs. This benefit arises because many bacteria that cause UTIs, including E. coli, thrive in slightly acidic environments. By raising the pH of the urine, baking soda creates a less hospitable environment for these bacteria, which may help prevent the onset of infections. A study published in the International Urogynecology Journal in 2018 investigated the effects of urinary alkalization through dietary methods on UTI recurrence. The researchers found that patients who adjusted their urinary pH with dietary interventions, including the use of sodium bicarbonate, experienced fewer UTI recurrences compared to those who did not make dietary changes. This supports the idea that urinary alkalization can be a viable preventive strategy against recurrent UTIs. To use baking soda for this purpose, a common method involves dissolving a small amount, typically half a teaspoon, in a full glass of water and drinking it once daily. This should ideally be done under the supervision of a healthcare provider, as excessive consumption of baking soda can lead to electrolyte imbalances and other health issues. Additionally, while baking soda may help prevent UTIs, it is not a substitute for antibiotics in treating an active infection. Individuals suffering from a UTI or those who frequently experience them should consult a healthcare professional for appropriate diagnosis and treatment. 8. Deodorizing. One notable property of sodium bicarbonate is its ability to neutralize odors, making it a popular choice for natural deodorization both for personal use and around the home. This effectiveness comes from its ability to neutralize acids and bases, breaking down the volatile compounds that cause unpleasant smells into less volatile salts. Once these compounds are neutralized, the odors dissipate. In practical terms, a small amount of baking soda can be applied directly to the underarms to serve as a deodorant. It works by neutralizing body odor caused by the bacterial breakdown of perspiration. For home deodorizing, baking soda can be sprinkled on carpets, in trash bins, or in shoes. After being left to sit for a while, it can be vacuumed or shaken out to effectively absorb and neutralize odors. Recent research supports these applications. For example, a study published in the Journal of Achievements in Materials and Manufacturing Engineering in 2022 demonstrated how baking soda can effectively reduce odorous compounds in various environments. This study emphasized its potential not only in personal care but also in broader applications such as waste management and improving indoor air quality. The versatility and safety profile of baking soda make it an excellent natural alternative to chemical deodorants and air fresheners. By incorporating this simple compound into everyday hygiene practices and household cleaning routines, significant benefits in managing odors naturally and effectively can be achieved. 9. Relief gout and joint pain. Gout is a type of arthritis marked by sudden, severe attacks of pain, swelling, redness, and tenderness in the joints. This condition is primarily caused by elevated levels of uric acid in the blood, which can crystallize into sharp, needle-like urate crystals in the joints or surrounding tissues, leading to pain and inflammation. An interesting remedy for managing gout involves the use of baking soda, which can be effective due to its ability to increase the pH of body fluids, including blood and urine. By alkalizing the urine, baking soda enhances the solubility of uric acid, facilitating its excretion and thereby lowering its levels in the body. This may help prevent the formation of urate crystals and potentially reduce the frequency and severity of gout attacks. The recommended method for use is to dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it several times a day. It is important not to exceed 4 teaspoons in a day and not to use this remedy continuously for more than 2 weeks without medical supervision. A 2023 study published in Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation helped reduce serum uric acid levels and improved symptoms in patients with gout. This study supports the potential role of baking soda as a supplementary treatment for managing uric acid levels, though it should not replace medications prescribed by a healthcare provider. Anyone considering using baking soda for gout or joint pain should first consult with their healthcare provider to ensure it is safe for them, particularly those with hypertension or kidney disease, due to its sodium content and effects on body fluid composition. 10. Improved chemotherapy efficacy. The effectiveness of chemotherapy can be influenced by the acidity of the tumor environment. The pH levels surrounding tumors can impact how well chemotherapy drugs work. Investigations have looked into the use of alkaline agents like baking soda to alter this environment, potentially making cancer cells more vulnerable to chemotherapy. A study published in the Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin in 2021 examined how oral administration of sodium bicarbonate could adjust the pH of tumors. The researchers found that increasing the alkalinity around cancer cells allowed chemotherapy drugs to work more effectively, as the altered pH weakened the tumor cell's defense mechanisms. This research suggests that incorporating baking soda into the treatment regimen could potentially enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy. For those considering this approach, it is essential to consult with their oncologist. The typical method involves consuming a baking soda solution, usually about half a teaspoon dissolved in water, daily during the chemotherapy period. The exact dosage and timing should be coordinated with medical supervision to ensure it does not interfere with chemotherapy drugs or worsen other health conditions. While this adjunct treatment shows promise, it is still under investigation. More research is needed to establish standardized guidelines and confirm the long-term benefits and safety of this practice. Nonetheless, it represents an innovative way to potentially enhance cancer treatment outcomes using a common household item. 11. Enhancing cognition. Emerging evidence suggests that alkalizing the blood, potentially through the intake of sodium bicarbonate, might have positive effects on cognitive function. This idea is based on the observation that systemic acidosis, an increase in acidity in the blood and body tissues, can negatively impact brain function and contribute to cognitive decline. A key study published in Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation in 2021 investigated the link between metabolic acidosis and cognitive impairment in older adults. The researchers found that individuals with higher levels of blood acidity exhibited poorer cognitive performance, indicating that managing acidity could potentially influence cognitive health. While this study did not specifically use baking soda, it highlights the potential cognitive benefits of regulating the body's acid-base balance. To explore these potential cognitive benefits, incorporating a small amount of baking soda into a daily routine may be beneficial. For example, dissolving about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a large glass of water and drinking it once daily might help maintain a balanced pH level. However, This practice should be approached with caution, as excessive consumption can lead to electrolyte imbalances and other side effects. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen, especially one involving a potent substance like baking soda, is crucial to ensure it aligns with individual health needs and considers any potential interactions with existing conditions or medications. 12. Soothe canker sores. Canker sores, also known as aphthous ulcers, are small, painful lesions that appear on the soft tissues inside the mouth or at the base of the gums. While the exact cause of these ulcers is not fully understood, they can be triggered by factors such as stress, minor mouth injuries, or certain foods. A simple and effective home remedy for alleviating the discomfort caused by canker sores is the use of baking soda. Baking soda helps neutralize the acids in the mouth, creating a less acidic environment that can promote healing and reduce pain. Its alkaline nature also helps decrease inflammation and may inhibit the growth of microorganisms that could worsen the sore. To use baking soda for canker sores, you can prepare either a paste or a mouth rinse. For a paste, mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of water until a thick consistency is achieved, then apply it directly to the sore. Alternatively, for a mouth rinse, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of warm water, swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds, and then spit it out. This rinse can be used several times a day until the sore improves. Research published in the Canadian Medical Association Journal has explored the effectiveness of baking soda in oral health, highlighting its benefits in reducing the discomfort and duration of canker sores. This study supports the use of baking soda as a practical, scientifically backed, cost-effective, and easily accessible treatment for oral lesions. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.